guys, welcome to the show. I'm Andrew. Welcome to Meet the Andrews. You know, if a woman isn't a woman, if she's a woman and then she turned around, no, then she's not a woman anymore, you know. So, this shake right here has 2 mangoes in there, 750 milliliters of spring water, and 3 cups of white rice. This mango smoothie from Meet the Andrews is 165 grams of carbohydrates in one serving. Now stay tuned to for Meet the Andrews. I'm going to show you the next step. Now we take this mango smoothie from the Andrews. We put it in the time machine. There. Now the Andrews mango smoothie, 165 grams of carbohydrates is in the time machine. Now we do this. Now that's once. Now I always like to do things twice, you know, so we'll put it on again. Now that is a 100% clean, 165 grams of clean carbohydrates mango smoothie from my show Meet the Andrews. Now I always like to taste my product before I make a decision, so I make sure I taste my product before I consume my Andrews smoothie.